Hi everyone, are you ready to beat the heat with a delicious and refreshing ice cream? Today we're making a vegan matcha coconut ice cream in just 2 easy steps. This recipe is completely vegan and dairy-free. With only a handful of ingredients, this creamy concoction is bursting with flavor, perfect for fans of both matcha's unique taste and coconut's tropical vibes. First step is to prepare the coconut matcha ice cream base. For this, we have 400 ml of Kara coconut milk, and we're going to add this to a blender. You can use room temperature coconut milk, but if you've chilled it in the refrigerator beforehand, it will make the crystallization process faster. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of good quality Japanese matcha green tea powder. You can use just 1 tablespoon if you prefer a milder flavor of matcha, along with 4 to 6 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. Add according to how sweet you want it, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Now we're just going to blend these ingredients till it's perfectly mixed and smooth. Pour this blended flavored coconut milk into a freezer-safe container with a tight lid, and then we're going to place this in the freezer till it begins to crystallize over the top. You can check on it after about 2 hours, and the second step is to make the coconut whipped cream, which is going to be added, and this aerates the ice cream, giving it that ice cream texture. For this, we need 200 ml of Kara coconut cream and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. And for this, it's really important to chill the Kara coconut cream in the fridge for 1 or 2 days to make it nice and chilled. This makes it much easier to whip up. It also helps to keep the bowl for whipping the coconut cream in the freezer for a while. Place this bowl in a larger bowl containing ice. Add in the coconut cream and begin to beat using an electric wire whisk or egg beaters, and beat till foamy. At this stage, we can add in the icing sugar and continue beating until we get stiff peaks. You can see it's beginning to thicken. We've got soft peaks. We need to go a bit more till stiff peaks are achieved. You want to keep this refrigerated till your coconut matcha ice cream base is crystallized so that you don't lose that whipped texture. So here, the coconut matcha ice cream base has formed crystals over the top layer, and we're just going to use a fork to release the setting cream from the sides of the container and whisk it well again with the fork till it's creamy again. You can also optionally add some nuts, dried fruits, or chocolate chips to the mixture at this point. And finally, we can add the whipped coconut cream, adding a little bit at a time and folding it in. You want to do this as quickly as possible without overbeating. You can use the electric whisk again, but very quickly, just until everything is incorporated. Do not overbeat. And now we can cover and put this back in the freezer until it's completely set. This will take about 8 hours, or leaving it overnight is best. When it's time to serve, keep the ice cream at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before scooping, and you're ready to serve your vegan matcha ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this video recipe. I am leaving the recipe card for you all here. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.